last year list.
Okay.
Near the last 2 years list. Not the last 3 years list.
Yeah, that's
true. Share. A beer, nipa bako, ni dia bamu continuous that. And ya wonko ana oye sabe affected.
Okay.
I was others so omo na be dance so yetime roll omo onto it. Until ya ba ye and also omo two associations.
Yeah.
It was ye be free her, no ye be free her, sabe ya be balance. Na wo kujaya one association pede no nipa ebe ba be feel na others no and so ba be ensem bebre and very soon no we'll finalize on it now. Yes, I say. And obi tata from so honum no do and futu ni adade no. Yes, many kufijo bakasa and no but yanya within the assembly no once a while at least a beko ni akwa water. Na na yahwe kwase benye ska na ka ye de gavos kakra so akwa kugo na level no kaka bi osama hono aye kakra anya honko a okodu babia tobutu na sesam na bia twitwa wo ho ni adade nti ye se ye da nwa be kwa kugo na ya spread ho se be ya hono ebe ye menua ye ni adafom a ye hwe babia o se yebetini aboa obiso so ebusa bibi aba na ma rose and na ma GHS na ma unfortunately say ye kofiase kwan no ma ye akwakotwa na ma aja na so sabi yes ufu do so ye ni na ye dia ka ye 10 kilometers of road ye baba wodo under the big push into ma capture na ma aka ho ma capture ye low cost road ye Mampong Damascus and cemetery road. Okay. And I'll call a bossofo a honeymoon a year echo baby be an iPhone I want to capture animal or call a toy soldier and a one time rose and I did dry rose and a peso and a secrua plus coffee as a tie rose to a capture under the big push a year 10 kilometers of roads no and now you capture no okay obi so buza bibi about traffic light traffic light many MPD come na buza say MP wadaroma ade how the buy no one service na akwa say wase wono no o jama onabo apia kubi and apia kubi so yes one service and I'm saying no I just want to know nipa or service so that I can get in touch with him. So you told me, say, you get back to me. Until me busa regional minister. Until regional minister so I demand say we'll get in touch with the entire region and the contractor MPP for the man no. So about 6 years and Omuntu and Kada until one ma. They say Omuntu and Kadia and now they say also baba. So it's about non-payment. The problem I want to say MPP kono. The money be brave or Omantua. Until upon say ya okofra. One also so about for now, but was what is it? Obama bibi kakra. And they say yes, here this car every trade all that. Minia yen to me new project back okra. The ye guso Yamekana Kuma. At is Obesa TSC from now was this na Magodeno Yadeno Abba. You know potholes. I am pa ofa kwana so especially ultra that they say air corner. Hono ampa and so gates but when highway engineer no abeko na yakwa na yetima bibi ina mpo enche this year ye the police station baba be see police post hono amamo te ina mpo mu be nya so anamo de ana yes me bra kunkuma it was as assembly. Yeah,
consultant send on no
assembly system no who was engineer was department omudoso okay omudoso and more civil engineers and just obia and na inti yes our urban roads engineer lechu inti your first technocrat there we don't have a lot of experience technocrat we know more and then we saw something about sanitation monthly yes sanitation yes idea luckily for Mampong Nyamia Adom and ya contract a private company our year until at least next month we are starting with a year
the company the buy no
company at the buy but so far they are not yet the major this time round yeah me Mampong Mce you be decentralizing no they da call the other villages no na ebeya so other district e bi omo ye ba ko Mampong the next one be ko Edura the next one be ko be island aya apan yo so KY the next one be ko be Asam Kofia Senemo so area tina ba bia no so afanti papa efra and then osabusa be about nsuo I'm saying I
can't have the course
no and say but I think very soon they are almost getting one machine in place of babe pumping sunama in premises kunkuma I'm say ufrim prem okay and lastly of fresh for no back was say park and there omo per standard park me na me footballer and the park the entimi nya no 8 aside ya be standard nti me nua ba no me da me tete ne mframam so was no de ne bu of officially so officially say on tinenya who the one letter and family Mampong Mce Assembly me I've promised the good people of Mampong say me the asset of baba the IG Hon no contract and consultant every Ghana gas aba lucky for me on record me godfather omo me mama be di akonya what the board chairman
okay
and the assistant friend is over to boa no me da me question boss me dey be 2 or 3
okay
but ba ko baba Mampong municipal had ya me charge the under maintainer of office ya me very soon baba
okay
ya the baba ajo no but tade mu ha no say woman no free say e bia won timenya quickly the assembly will get in touch with a university or that great department or my approach me ya be failing ni aye bibia ya the black soil aye na ya contracted the agri department or university no more green grass even FIFA have now approved the green grass no the ya be green grass ni aye asotef obi o no pe green grass na no ko obi o pe asotef ani the football Mampong municipality you been very attractive so we are the team you to know so and better one
okay I was a command part 1 had it be seen honorable MC yakwen has when akwanya bebe man has be lesbianism you more there to suffer near between because your other sectors are me church ya yanka ho asem e wo ho mo because no mo be na wo I be shada betna se brepe mu so na yedi no so nkomo honorable be do asepase to suffer wo utwe ba na mo munu ade ba ko a wo ya me pese obekoso ana wa ye no ye project ahodo a wo ho dada na wo pese wo ye no because wo ka kodu ku fiase mo se toilet facility na wo presby hosting in cry for simple why are we still not using it for 7 years and ya ho nko anya wa other project bi ho asanity and
I benim
yes
if you are asem
yes
if you are Mampong eno no contractor no eno so national security are taking over our investigation so there are also menua the entire manya adaje and HHM I think our interview was supposed to have lasted for 1 hour but I think we've done more than 2 hours
yes
matumebo ana me cheche because some of the niama no would wa about here you see it differently but when the authorities in the church, you get to understand it. So, and the man, I think contract issues our national security in some are investigating. Who am I? I was on the train.
All right.
I think and I'm assuring the good people of Mampong municipality say Yabeye Ejuma because Omampeni in his wisdom no and the confidence in me and our appointed me and the youth na montamechi
okay
because when I succeed the youth to succeed ma yanka yemum as one family because adia o mampani aye amame ana waye amame no se mitimi deliver ya sampo no ababe 30 years to come se MPP ba power ono so no o metimi consider aye the youth ama o so etimi aba nti mintimi nkono sa afese municipal engineer wa Zito wa and IB madam wase for say mobejame ama ni program etiefo and IF4 and afrefo so mo frere. I thank you very much for your audience and yebeko so ani aso Mampong in humility with respect.
All right, Honorable MC Asante Mampong Mce Issifu. Said you know correct. Good. And I know Eddie and Common. We see from common offensive. But MC, what cost me with the church from us? Oh, Bebuno Waka. Original Minister, Bebuno. I don't know. Fortunately or unfortunately for you, Original Minister, you to know. A set precedent to be. I challenge. So we see now the Original Minister and I'm going to let us as a youth, you have to deliver. Sir, in fear, say, baby, be MC, and I'm tempted to believe, say, you are the most youngest MC or municipal, you waba. So if you set the president in a year, the Biabeka, your relationship with my fourth will be a more that opportunity of victimization of assembly. When you're MPP, when you're in this, I don't want to know. If you set aside now, would deliver here, said the original minister, I started that president, you know, once you're back out with it. Since I don't make an way the first day and part 1, I hope part 2 by 3. Ya mean sure non can see transfer from our buy. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I will say you fancy. And then you have red dot time no. Exactly. Red dot Baba trust you. I mean you better say me din your mind na dubron. Abroni Kobi Ochami Kwajo and Afe Solo and Abiba and the both of them. MC and the journey na ya director Mr. Free. Yes. What's the man with your mind? This, do this. I know. Kabogadi and my comedian. Messana management. Dan no yes, comedian. It will be as any program manager. A cabin near the San Juan. You must say she will be from Macramo.